besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm bringing to you an adorable centerpiece using this cute baggie I got from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance because of a Christmas tree. As you can see, it's only tied down with the jute, maybe a dab of hot glue. Not even. So we're gonna decorate it. You know, the possibilities are endless. Either Valentine's or spring, I guess, now coming up. So I'm just so excited, get my money worth here. I hope you can find a baggie. Maybe you bought it this year. Please comment, let me know. If not, I'm sure you have one of those little red or blue tracks. That's gonna be adorable too. And just get some inspiration here. If you like what you see, press thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you become my bestie, and we will be in touch, okay? So I just checked the Hobby Lobby website. The pink track is out of stock, but you can leave your email address there and get notified when it's back in stock. If you really like it, you might want to do that. I love decor pieces like this one. All you have to do is remove the little tree and it becomes year-round piece of decor for a fraction of the cost. Isn't that great? Let's start with a piece of floral foam and floral wire from the Dollar Tree. And let's tie that little foam block on top of the roof rack. Of course, you can use a little bit of hot glue as well. I just want to make it easily removable to be able to change it up for the seasons. And here the possibilities are endless. I have this pretty dogwood from the Dollar Tree, as well as some hydrangeas, greenery I got on clearance. But, you know, I like to do something a little bit different. I got this donut pick and a pretty donut ribbon I got online a while ago. I figure, why not incorporate it in my design? Let's see what it comes out to be. First, we want to cover up that green foam block. So cutting hydrangea to smaller pieces will be the easiest way to do that, I believe. Let me just grab a silicone mat to protect my desk from hot glue. Okay, let's cut the dogwood as well. I love the touch of pink. It's gonna go beautifully with this pink car. All right, hopefully that's enough to cover that green foam. Let's just start gluing it in. By the way, if you hear any snoring, that's not me, not my husband. It's Coco sleeping on my lap as I record the instructions for you, my besties. She only looks tiny and precious, but she snores like an old man. All right, and now let's fill in with some dogwood. I'm gonna start on the corner here. Okay, let's spread it out on the opposite side. Okay, now the two corners in the back. Okay, we need to fill in the holes, so let's just cut apart the remaining piece of hydrangea. Okay, and I'm going to fill in the rest with the remaining dogwood. Tell me, don't you love it already? All these delicate flowers, soft pinks and cream whites. It looks great already. So you can make it elegant or you can make it playful and whimsical and add some donuts, for example. Let's see how they would look here. Oh, so cute. I love it. All right, let's cut these apart. And I'm so upset because I see I already lost two. That's what happens with these pigs. You know, you have to pay attention because they come loose and fall off. All right, I have a double one here. Let me just add it on the opposite corner. Let's say here. What's great, when they come on the wire, you can bend and shape them any way you like. Oh, so cute. I think I want to add my donut ribbon now. That way I will know where to place the remaining donuts. Let's see. I think just a small bow in the back will do. Let's say 4 inches folded in half. That's 2-inch loops. And I'll make a small bow just like that. And I'm going to use a piece of a floral stem to tie in the back of the bow. That way create like a little bow pig. Let me just reinforce with a dab of hot glue so it doesn't slide off. And as it dries, we can stick it in the floral black right there in the back. Isn't that so cute? Right above that back windshield. Okay, let's take a look at this. We can use one more donut up front. Yes, perfect. So cute. Oh, another one right there, right? Oh my goodness, this is cuteness overload right there. Or donut sweetness overload. Please give me some donut emojis if you are enjoying this video. We can use one more in the back right there. Okay, stay back, take a look. What else can we do here? I think we could use a little bit of ribbon up front too, right? Just a bit, a small loop. Just a tiny loop, an inch and a half or two. Tie it with a wire and attach it right there to that front railing. Just little ribbon accents here and there. They're not much, but I like it. You don't have to do it if you don't want it. Okay, let's see if we want to add any other flowers here. There's blue sprinkles in the donuts. That's why I thought maybe we could add a couple of these. I'm just gonna throw out those fake looking greenery and let's see how this looks. You know, always have to try it, because if you don't try it, you're not gonna know. I'm surprised. I like it. Yeah, you see? Add some more colors and texture. It's good. You know, if you want to keep the soft palette, you could do that as well. You know, it's your own taste and liking. I still have some holes to fill in, so I'm gonna try to use these smaller pieces. Filling in a few last holes, and I'm gonna show you a final result in a minute. Okay, got my Lazy Susan here. Take a look all the way around. How adorable is that? I do have one donut left over. I'm thinking either a wreath for the front or the spare tire in the back. Oh, it looks so plain back there. I need to add a spare tire. Just 2 dots of hot glue to hold it. So cute. That's definitely my cherry on top right there. Although I do have these gems that I found on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And guess what? They're perfect fit in the headlights for a little blink blink. How cute is that? I'm gonna add in the front. And you know what? I realize they come in multiple sizes. So what are the chances that I have a perfect size in the back as well? That just totally unexpected, but worked out so good. I can't. I also have some of these butterfly stickers leftovers from Dollar Tree. Maybe I'll add one here. And just for fun, I remember I had these magnets from the store called Dollar Zone. Since the car is metal, I'm just having a little bit of fun over here. Look, you can decorate for Valentine's. If you want to turn that track into Valentine's decor, look at that hard donut. Oh my gosh, with sprinkles, that's just perfect here. And this sprinkled donut, somebody took a bite out of it. I can't. This is just too cute. Okay, I got a little bit carried away with these cute magnets. In the end, I removed them all and just enjoy my centerpiece creation. Let me know if you love it as much as I do. Take care, my besties. See you next time. Bye-bye.